Hello class. Today we are doing 5GO 1.11. Okay? Today we are going to evaluate numerical expressions. In order to evaluate numerical expressions, first we understand to evaluate means to find the sum or the value, okay? And then the expressions are our number sentences, and in order to evaluate them properly, we must use a set of rules. Okay, those rules we refer to as P for parentheses, E for exponent, okay, M for multiplication division, okay, and then A for addition, and S for subtraction. We like to say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We recognize that multiplication and division can occur at the same time depending on which one comes first in the number sentence, as well as addition and subtraction. We understand that all multiplication and division is done before addition or subtraction. We understand that parentheses come first, okay, and exponents come second. Let's take a look at our first problem. Number 2, we see that we have a parentheses, okay, a set of parentheses, and we have 32 minus 20 divided by 4. Because 32 minus 20 is set in parentheses, we understand that to be first. So let's do it first. 32 minus 20 will give us a 12. Then we divide by 4. Okay, and then we understand that 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. Number 4, once again, we have a set of parentheses. So that tells us that what's in the parentheses is done first. So 8 minus 3 is 5, okay? Then multiplied by 15. So 15 times 5 will give us an answer of 75, okay? Let's look at number 6. On number 6, we see here that we have no parentheses. So since we do not have any parentheses, then we look at the operations to see which one will be done first, okay? We have an addition and we have a multiplication. We understand in our rules that multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. So therefore, here we must multiply first. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, then we bring down our plus, our 27. 27 plus 30 will give us an answer, okay, of 57. Sorry, my phone distracted me. Took a look and was not paying attention. 57, okay? All right, let's take a look at number 8. Number 8, we have 14 plus 4 times 4 minus 9. So we see addition, multiplication, subtraction. All right, so we know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. This is an M. My multiplication comes before addition or subtraction, and then we have addition and subtraction. So let's multiply. So we have 14 plus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 9, okay? So now, when we read our problem, 14 plus 16 minus 9, then we do the addition and subtraction comes at the same time with Aunt Sally, so we do whichever one comes first. In this case, addition comes first, so therefore we add the 2, and we get a 30 minus 9, okay? And then we discover that 30 minus 9 is a 21, okay? Let's take a look at number 10. On number 10, it says, rewrite the expression with parentheses to equal the given value. Okay, so let's take a look. Currently, the problem reads 2 times 6, which is a 12, divided by 2, which would give us a 6, plus 1, which gives us a 7. That's not the answer. We need to put parentheses somewhere so that the answer will be 4. So let's see what we can do. If we do this first, which we already did, 2 times 6 will give us a 12. Then we would have to do the division next. 12 divided by 2 will make it a 6, and then we follow plus 1. So that will not work. So let's try this. If we say 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. Okay, then it means 3 times 2 would be 6, plus 1 was 7. Still won't work. Okay, so let's try this. Let's try this. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, then we would say 2 times 6 is 12. Then divided by 3 would give us a 4. Okay, so let's do that. 2 times 6 divided by 2 plus 1. If we do this, that will make this a 3. Rewrite the problem over. So then we'll be forced to do 2 times 6 would be 12. Divided by 3 would give us a 4. Okay? So now we know the parentheses must go here in order to make the value equal to 4. Okay? All right, let's take a look at number 12. It says, Sandy has several pitchers to hold lemonade for the school bake sale. 2 pitchers can hold 64 ounces each, and 4 pitchers can hold 48 ounces each. How many total ounces can Sandy's pitchers hold? All right, so let's read it again. Sandy has several pitchers to hold lemonade for the school bake sale. 2 pitchers can hold 64 ounces each. So that's 2 times 64. Okay? All right, let's move on. 4 pitchers can hold 48. Okay? 4 times 48. How many total ounces can Sandy's pitchers hold? So 2 times 64, and we have 4 times 48. Okay, so let's take a look. 2 times 64 is going to give us 128. Okay, and then 4 times 48 it was 192. When we add the 2 together, we have 320 ounces altogether. Okay, that's our lesson. See you next week.